Hello girls, in continuation of the our previous topic on properties of definite integral, today we will study some more very important properties. These properties are given on page number 341 of your NCERT book. So we have already studied property from P0 to P4. Today we will study property P5, P6 and P7. These will help us to solve the questions on integration more easily. So property 5, it states that integral of any function fx dx where lower limit is 0, upper limit is 2a, it can be written as 0 to a means upper limit will be half fx dx plus 0 to a f 2a minus x dx means instead of x variable you will write upper limit minus x dx. This property you will understand when we will solve questions using this property. Now P6, it states that integration of any function fx dx, again this is the particular case of P5 where lower limit and upper limit are same. It can be written as 2 times fx 0 to a dx means this will be double. It will be double when this will be equal to this. That means when if f2a minus x is equal to fx, this will be 2 times of the given integral. Now in second condition, the same function, integral of function fx dx from 0 to 2a will be 0. When it will be 0? When this function will be minus of this function, or you can say this function will be minus of this function. That means it will be equal to 0 if f2a minus x is equal to minus fx. So again this is particular case of P5. Now this is also very important property P7. There are 2 cases of this property. If fx is an even function and when fx is an odd function. So let us see. Here you see that the limits are from minus a to a. This is the only property where limits are minus a to a. So whenever you get question where limits are from minus a to a, you will check whether it is even function or odd function, and accordingly you will apply the property. Minus a to a fx dx can be written as 2 times 0 to a. Instead of minus a you will write 0 to a. You will have to learn these properties. Fx dx if f is an even function. That means f of minus x will be f of minus x is fx. Is that clear? Now in second case, integral of any function fx dx where limits are minus a to a will be 0 if f is an odd function. That is if f of minus x is equal to minus fx. So you will learn all these properties from P0 to P7 and we will use them to solve many examples and important questions. And in CBSE exam you most of the time we get 1 or 2 mark question on based on P7 and 4 or 6 mark question based on other properties.